Want to upgrade your car with a massive touchscreen, wireless CarPlay, and a 4K dash cam, without replacing your factory stereo? Today I'm reviewing the $3 CarPlay Screen for car, a plug-and-play smart display that brings modern tech to almost any vehicle. Let's get into it. 10.26-inch touchscreen display, large, bright screen that makes navigation, music, and apps easy to see and use while driving. Wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto, instantly connect your phone wirelessly for calls, maps, messages, and music, no cables required, built-in 4K dash cam, records high-quality driving footage for safety, security, and peace of mind, 1080p backup camera included, helps with safer parking and reversing, especially in tight spaces, plug-and-play installation, no professional install needed, just mount it, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Instant car upgrade, perfect for older cars that don't support CarPlay or Android Auto, all-in-one device, combines infotainment, dash cam, GPS navigation, and Bluetooth into one screen, clear display, smooth performance. The large screen and fast wireless connection make daily driving more enjoyable. Takes dashboard space, the large screen may feel bulky in smaller vehicles, backup camera requires wiring, while the main unit is plug-and-play, installing the rear camera takes some setup. I tested this on daily drives, and wireless CarPlay connected quickly every time. Navigation was smooth, calls were clear, and having a built-in dash cam is a huge bonus. If you want a big screen, wireless CarPlay upgrade with built-in safety features, the $3 CarPlay Screen is definitely worth checking out. Grab yours using the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which feature you love most, the big screen, 4K dash cam, or wireless CarPlay.